Hey guys, I'm Elliot, this is Everything Elliot, and I made a promise to Theodore that at 5,000 subscribers, I would buy him a nice little heated home. Well, we've hit that number, so I got him a heated home. And today we're gonna put it together, introduce him to it, and see if he likes it. Here it is. Thermo Outdoor Kitty House. Just purchased it off Amazon. If you guys want one, I guess I'll leave a link in the description. So if you guys have a Theodore yourself, you can buy one for your Theodore. I got him camouflaged because currently he likes living in one of two places. The first place is in a set of cornhole games I've got up on my pallet racking that is painted camouflage, and the second is a cooler that is not camouflage, but he's a boy cat, so all boys like camouflage. All right. Seems pretty simple. This is the heated bed. I don't know what, this must be the roof. All right, comes with a roof. Instructions. Don't need those. Oh, the sides are on the bottom. It's actually a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. I can tell you one thing. This nice Sherpa-lined blanket it comes with, or pillow, or heated whatever it is, that's going to be filthy in about a week. All right. We won't put the top on it yet. We're going to shove Theodore through the door here so he knows he can go through it. We'll see what he looks like inside. Come here, Theodore. Little kitty. Come here. That's a good cat. All right. Theodore has been retrieved. We're gonna take him, shove him through. This is how cats learn. You might not like it at first, but get in there. Get in your hole. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home?
Okay, what if I put you in through the top? Now, you're not being... There you go. How's that? Well, that's not how you're supposed to do it. Let's put the top on, I guess. All right, top is on. Now he won't be able to escape through the top. Try shoving him in here again. Now don't call PETA on me. I'm trying to help him. Come here. Look it. It's nice in here. It's nice in there. Go ahead. Go ahead, get in there. See? How's that, huh? No? Come here. No, no, no. You're gonna learn to love this thing. It's your home. It's your new home. Get in there. All the way. Get your butt in. Ooh. How's that feel? Ooh. Okay, come here. Come here. You go through the cat door. There you go. Oh, he went out the backside. How's that, Theodore? Not bad? I really need to organize my workbench. This is all junk. Let me just sliding out of the way. This will be Theodore's little home. We could plug it in right there. Come here, Theodore. Let's try one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get in there. There, that's your home. What do you think, buddy? Give it some sniffs. Oh yeah. How's that? Doing the old cat thing where they call that kneading the bread. Just push your way out, just like the cat door. You go in and out of the cat door in the shop, you can go in and out of this. Well, he still hasn't figured out how to get out. Come here. Come on. You can get through it. Do you need some help? Do you need me to start it for you? See? Just push right through. I mean, I can't tell if you don't know how to get out or you're just hanging out in there because you like it. You might just like it. Oh, wait, I think we're figuring it out. I think we're figuring it out. See? No, Theodore, no, that's the electrical cord. I'm gonna get some zip ties and we'll clean that up. That way he doesn't try to pull it in. I think he likes it. I don't think it's because he can't figure out how to get out of there. I think he just likes it. I don't know. There you go, now the cords are tucked up out of your way. Okay, come here. Ready? There you go, see? You just push right through it. That wasn't that bad, was it? How do you have a tick on you? Does that gross you guys out? I just pull ticks off of them. Okay, let's go back in. Find your own way out. There you go. No, you can't go out the back way. I think he likes it in there. Well, I'm gonna let Theodore be. He is happy in his house. He's laying down. I've showed him how to get in and out of it a couple times. He goes through the cat door that is the exact same thing to get in and out of this shop, so he shouldn't have an issue with it. I think he's just staying in there because he likes it. It is a heated pad, so what's not to like about a heated pad? Well, if you guys subscribed for Theodore, I appreciate that. Paying him back for all the work he does and all the supervision he gives me. So if you guys like Theodore, you want to see more of him, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I appreciate all of you guys, and until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day.